Imagine a city where two continents meet, where the charm of the past mingles with the vibrancy of the present. Welcome to Istanbul, a city of breathtaking beauty and diversity that captures the heart and stirs the soul. Our journey begins at dawn, with the first rays of sunlight kissing the magnificent domes and minarets of Istanbul. The city awakens, and so do we, ready to soak in the rich tapestry of its history, culture, and cuisine. We start our day at the iconic Hagia Sophia, a testament to Istanbul's historical grandeur. Once a church, then a mosque, and now a museum, Hagia Sophia is more than an architectural marvel. It is a symbol of the city's cultural evolution. As the day progresses, we find ourselves at the Blue Mosque, another marvel of Istanbul's skyline. Its 6 minarets rise to the sky, and its interior, adorned with 20,000 hand-painted tiles, leaves us in awe. Our journey then takes us to the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. The air is thick with the aroma of spices and the buzz of haggling. Here, we find treasures from handcrafted jewelry to intricate carpets, all telling tales of the city's vibrant trade history. And what is a visit to Istanbul without indulging in its culinary delights? We savor the city's signature dish, the mouth-watering doner kebab, and wash it down with a strong, aromatic cup of Turkish tea. As the sun begins to set, we find ourselves at the Bosporus Strait, the natural waterway that separates Europe and Asia. Here, we watch the cityscape transition from day to night, a spectacle that leaves us spellbound. A nightcap at the bustling Taksim Square rounds off our day. The pulsating energy of the square, lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, is the perfect end to our whirlwind tour of this enchanting city. To sum it up, in just 24 hours, we've immersed ourselves in Istanbul's rich history at Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, hunted for treasures at the Grand Bazaar, indulged in authentic Turkish cuisine, and witnessed the city's stunning transition from day to night at the Bosporus Strait, and all this for a modest budget of around £300, thanks to the convenience of taxis that whisked us from one place to another. So there you have it, a day in the life of a traveler in Istanbul, a city that never fails to mesmerize. Before we part, remember to show your love by liking this video, sharing it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribing to our channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.